You already know what it is. Come one, come all, come down and get them Hollywood trades. So what we are seeing here is an obvious. This is all obvious, obviously expected here at a certain point, leading to this point, as well as the simplified bearish sentiment of the past couple sessions. It's simplified because we have obtained a bearish close below a bullish day. It happened to be the highest bullish day that got closed under. And so that right there is going to be a sharp exchange point. Trades, massive amount of trades leaving the market that got stuck in this day right here. And so then this just becomes an obvious target. It didn't get hit yesterday and it got hit today. There is no fair value gap that exists up here. So it did not need to come back above this high to grab any liquidity, giving it, people say news, people say this, people say that, but it's cooked in already. This chart may have affected things. NASDAQ may have affected things as well. But this had clear goals with the low resistance 1, 2, 3, 4 right here. And I'm gonna want to say 5, but this bearish liquidity that got trapped in this day on this day is still ready to get out of this. There's still positions here that were ready to leave for short. So as you see price pushing into it, you see there's a sensitivity to the top of this candle here and to its body, even more sensitivity at its body, right at its body. And that's all expected. I do expect it to try for this before we go long, or for this maybe even before we go long, but this bar may have been disrespected to such a point to where all of these going into this point, maybe even to here, will be very high liquidity. But we'll see. As we know, everything got wrecked. Bitcoin wrecked. So we'll see. Does it allow me to? Let's do a whole market. Look at NASDAQ wrecked. Look at that. Everything wrecked right now. So, not even much. This has just been bearish. So, there's not much to see there. This also wrecked 4 days in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, just wrecked again. This was already here. This is the point that I wanted to see some respect on this level here. As we are seeing, we are getting something of a respect in that level. Again, these were targets as soon as we started getting bearish closes here, right? And then that became resistance because people were trying to get out. As soon as we started getting that, then this became a simple target right here. It acted as a consolidation, but once we got a close below the body level here, this whole body level was resistance. Now, boom, right? You start going up into it. It's just automatic. I did potentially want to see this be swept here, but it's just too much resistance as we close beyond this level. And then you see what happened. There was just no reason to stay long after all of these. And then you got one more bearish close. Now this candle became resistance at the volumetric point of control on this level. So there's massive orders that need to be dumped and they can be moved here. And that's what happened. After that close, it triggered this liquidity to just go ahead and get out of the market because we had a simple buy zone. I've been looking for this buy zone since we bought at 67K. And so that's pretty much the full market analysis. I haven't been on the charts much, but I might do some more analysis later. Tomorrow or next week.